How did you get these clients who are paying
Okay.
you about 90,000?
Because I've cracked some few codes in the outreach system. So last month I booked like almost.
Hello, is this Sahil?
Yes, yes.
Sahil, your voice is not clear. Could you please come closer to the mic?
Is it is it
Your
good?
it is not good. It's like you're under the water.
No, I'm not under the water, man. I'm clearly in my room, and I think the audio issue is because of the network. But am I clear now?
Yeah, it's better. It's better.
Okay. So let me tell you about myself. The question you asked. So my father is a businessman. He's a property and a car dealer. But I decided to drop out of my college at the age of 18 because I had an accident. I had 6 months to have a bed rest, and I decided to run an agency with the first business model. Also, I've tried trading before, drop shipping also, and all those things that you talk about, right? So I also discovered you back in 2024, right? But before that, you always talked about like you need to stop doing trading and all those. I agreed on that advice, but also what the thing is, I started with this agency model called creative agency. So I looked for clients and I had few people do editing, but didn't last long because I had no skill. I had just the passion of making money. So in that agency, we did around 30K revenue, and it was again just commission basis for me because I used to hire people and then find clients.
Is it thirty
But
thousand
I
rupees or
realized
dollars?
30,000 rupees. Yeah, working with Indian clients, that was the easiest thing I can do that time. So I managed to pull off some creators, and that happened well. But then I realized that कि मेरे पास अभी भी उस टाइम भी interesting skills नहीं थी. So I took a break and I learned copywriting. And meanwhile, then I decided to do copywriting. It took me 6 and 8 months. And in between those time gap, I tried to do two internships. One was at a venture capital company. It was work from home. And then didn't work long. 10 दिन बाद I quit that job too. And then after that, again, I came up with this business model because in the last agency that I was doing, I find a client who I created ebook for. And I really enjoyed that work because it only took me 1 or 2 hours a day with, and I hopped on the client and then we decided to do write content for the ebook. But then what happened? I realized that I can do this better now. So then in December last year, I booked 4 appointments with the clients and I was selling that product for 50,000 rupees. But again, it was all Indian clients, so they were not really ready to pay for that. So I decided to quit that model. Now, last month from March to April, I did revenue of 90,000, right? And not just because of selling ebooks, but I have 4 clients under my belt right now. One is from Norway, Netherlands, and he is paying me right now $500 to do outreach for him. He really liked my outreach, and also the other 3 clients, I'm just managing like LinkedIn for one and creating info products for 2 other clients. So this is the story right now.
Got it. So look, Sahil, firstly, congratulations, bro. This is amazing experience for 20-year-old. Trust me, like
Mm-hmm.
90% of 20-year-olds out there don't have the amount of experience that you have. So
Yeah.
the fact that you worked a job in multiple agencies, you tried multiple agencies yourself, and right now you're running a
Mm-hmm.
successful agency, uh, making $1,000 a month. It is amazing.
Mm-hmm.
You've already come pretty far. You have 90% of the skills you need.
Yeah.
Now, just tell me that how did you get these 4 clients who are
So
paying
okay.
you about 90,000 rupees a month?
See, the first skill that I learned was my outreach was on top notch. So I never got clients from referrals, but I always got clients from Instagram outreach, and it really works well for me because I've cracked some few codes in the outreach system. So last month I booked like almost 8 appointments, and 4 of them was my clients. So out of 8 appointments, I was able to close 50% of the people that hopped on call with me. And outreach is still my best game. So I'm looking for to expand on my outreach. I'm looking for working with my friends and all those people who can do outreach for me with my methods that I use for outreach.
Okay, so what other service do you provide?
So basically, we as a agency, we I help creators to create info products from scratch and put them into the funnel.
Yeah,
So
trust me, it's
I'll
useless.
just tell you a little context. I've identified a problem in Indian fitness industry or generally in coaches industry. What I figured out, the most of the coaches they don't have anything to sell besides their services. There's no product, and which is a big problem. And I'm trying to fix that problem by creating info products into their funnels so that you can have a high ticket service and a low ticket product.
Look, Sahil, I'm gonna be completely
Mm-hmm.
honest with you. If you really
Yeah.
want a solution over here, I'm gonna give you one. Okay?
Yeah.
So the problem that you're trying to solve is not really a problem that people want a solution to. But as you can see, you're pretty good at outreach, and one client is paying you for your outreach.
Yep.
So I think it is a no brainer to just do outreach and provide outreaching services and become an outreach
Okay.
agency, because I would hire you as well.
All right.
And the solution that
Works.
you are trying to provide, that you want to build products for coaches,
Mm-hmm.
you want to
Yeah.
create ebooks for coaches or something, uh, that's just not needed in the market. That's not something you're gonna get paid for a lot. Like, uh, I think you should just stick to what is working for you and stick
Mm-hmm.
to what you know the best. And you know outreaching the best. So I think you should just stick to
Yeah.
that and scale your outreaching agency. Hire a bunch of people who can outreach for you on your behalf, hire them on a
Mm-hmm.
salary, and just onboard more clients like me, because I need outreaching services as well. I keep looking for more people who can outreach for me, and I pay money for it.
Okay.
So just do that. Train the best outreachers on earth and provide
Okay.
outreachers to other agencies, because that's gonna
Got it.
make you a lot of money. That's gonna get you to 6 lakh rupees a month.
Okay.
And that's what you're good at.
Got it.
Why are you trying to sell
Mm-hmm.
something you're not even the best at?
Okay. Understandable.
So yeah, that's gonna be
So
my advice for you.
yeah, no, no, it's no, it's really good. But so let's talk about then how I can help you then. Should I drop you a message?
Yeah, sure. Drop me a message. Drop me an email actually on
Okay.
talkwithshad@gmail.com,
Yeah. Sure, sure,
and
sure.
I'll see where we can go from there. Okay.
Okay, drop. Done.
I hope I was helpful, Sahil.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you, man.
All right. Have a nice day.